Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how do we create and use a map and set. In JavaScript, map and set are used to store collections of unique values. Map. A map is a collection of key and value pair where both keys and values can be any type. Creating a map, let my map equal to new map. ID adding items on a map. We can adding key value pair to the map. My map dot set. We can add dot set if you want to add key value pair in the map. And name John. Set is 30. Set is a student true. Accessing item in map console.log my map.get. By using get keyword, we can accessing the key value pair. Key by getting value by the key. We can get the value by the key. Checking for the key in the map. My map dot has name true. My map has height false. Removing item from a map. Removing a key value pair. My map dot delete is a student. My map has is a student false. Iterating over a map. My map dot for each value comma key. Output name John is 30. Map size. Getting a size of a map. My map dot size. Set. A set is a collection of unique values. Creating a set. Let my set new set. Adding item by using dot add uh, method. Checking has deleting dot delete, iterating over like my for each function, for each loop, value, value. Set size, my set dot size. Here we are using add where there set. Okay. Using map and set together, let's user role equal to new map. Set John, comma new set admin editor. Set gen new set editor subscriber. Checking roles. Get John has admin true. This should give me a good understanding of how to create and use map and set in JavaScript. This is all about the how to create and use the map and set in JavaScript. In upcoming video, we will learn more about the miscellaneous topic in JavaScript. For now, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.